Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. We're doing another packing video today. I'm going to Vancouver this weekend, so this is how I pack for it. I want to start a new series on my channel called This is How I Pack for It, because I've wanted to do a packing series because you guys seem to like my packing videos. And I just got a new bag. This is my new favorite carry-on size travel bag. This is it right here. It's from Amazon. I will link it down below and I will also put it on the screen right here. I think it's $60, and this has everything that I'm going to need for the weekend in it. So I'm going to show you what I brought. Quick little review of the bag itself. It's got two main pockets on the front. It's also got a wet pouch right here in the middle. It's got a water bottle holder on the side and a laptop sleeve in the back, and then the main compartment opens all the way. Front loads, opens all the way. It's got lots of straps and compression straps, and it has a little strap here where you can put it on top of a rolly suitcase if you want to, but we don't travel with suitcases here. Okay, so diving right in, the first thing I brought was my clothes. I've made a few capsule wardrobe videos before, but that is really the mentality that I tried to have when I was putting this together because the bag is so small. This is a packing cube full of clothes I brought for the extended weekend. First things first, you've heard this tip before, it's wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane so they don't have to sit in the bag. So I'm bringing you over here so you can see a bit better. These are my Heidi jeans from Dynamite. They have rips in them in the knee and right here. And I'm going to be bringing these even though it's going to be really hot while we're there. That might be kind of stupid, but it's going to be cold when we leave Calgary, and it's going to be cold when we come back to Calgary, and it also might get a little chilly at nighttime. So I decided that I was going to bring a pair of jeans with me in addition to this sweater. The sweater is from Garage. It's just like quarter zip knit like sweater. This actually will come in handy because Vancouver is quite windy sometimes because it's on the ocean. Plus this can layer over the dress that I brought to turn it into a skirt. You know the whole deal, I've said it before. Underneath that sweater on the plane, I'm going to be wearing this little black tank top. This is great too because it can go with the jeans, it can go with the shorts, that sort of thing. That being said, all of the items of clothes that I brought can be combined to make like 10 to 12 different outfits. So I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff I brought. We'll go with the pants first. I brought my distressed mom shorts from American Eagle. These are really nice because they're extra long in the back, so they go down to like about like this far down my leg, which is really nice. In addition to the jeans, I also brought just one pair of Lululemon Align leggings, I think they are, because we might be doing a few hikes while we're out there. Okay, moving on to tops, I brought this wrap shirt from Garage. This is really nice because it can be used as a cover up over top of the tank top, over top of the dress that I'm bringing, and can make just like a nice little shawl in case it gets a little chilly. The next shirt I brought is a blouse. So this can't be layered really, but it's cute, so I brought it. And then the last t-shirt I brought is just this classic white Levi's t-shirt. A big tip for when you're packing to travel is to bring t-shirts that you can sleep in, that you can also wear, because bringing pajamas is kind of stupid. So this is the shirt that I'm going to sleep in. On that note, because I had the room, I did choose to bring pajama bottoms. These are my cow pajama bottoms from Banff that my sister got me. So I brought them because I have room, but you can use athletic shorts or the gray sweatpants, which I will wear when we're traveling again because I'm going to be bringing them anyways. All right, last piece of clothing type item is this just like midi dress. This can be worn underneath the green little shawl and underneath the sweater. And then the last thing I brought is a rain jacket. It's not supposed to rain while we're there, but you never know. And again, I had the room, so I decided to bring it. Okay, that was super quick. So we got through the clothes. The next thing I have in my bag is my toiletry kit. I just got this toiletry kit from Amazon. It is the perfect size. I am so happy with it. So I'm going to show you how I packed it. Do you see how small it is though? Like this has my makeup and all my toiletries and like my hair products in it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this one zips into 3 main compartments, as you can see. I love it. I'm going to link it down below. Okay, in this first mesh compartment down here, I brought the full size, which is just 80 milliliters of the CeraVe PM moisturizer. I'm gonna use that as my daytime and my nighttime moisturizer. I also am showing you that you can fit 2 reusable travel pumps in here. I'm not bringing them because we're only going for the weekend, so I'm just going to suffer through the hotel shampoo and conditioner, but we're staying at a fancy place, so I'm hoping it's going to be good. You can fit those there. I also brought the travel size of the micellar water. I have my eyelash curler just placed in here. In the bottom, I have my toothbrush, and I have 3 reusable cotton pads. These are really great for the environment. I also got these on Amazon, so I will link them down below. You can wash these in the sink just with soap and water, or you can wash them in the washing machine. So they're great for travel, and that's the first compartment. I forgot to mention, you should definitely be bringing sunscreen and wearing it, especially when you're going to Vancouver. So I am bringing sunscreen in one of those reusable travel containers I showed you. I just haven't gotten around to filling it up yet. In this middle compartment here, there are 3 different mesh compartments. In this first one, I have my makeup brushes. This is just a Benefit bronzer blending brush. And then I also have 3 other brushes from MAC. I found on Amazon too. This is an ad for Amazon. Clearly, that was a joke. I found this like compact like brush set. I'll link it down below as well, so I'm hoping to get that. In the middle here, I just have my deodorant, and then in the side, I'm not bringing these either, but I wanted to show you that you can bring them. So I don't know if you can see behind, but behind this mesh pocket, there is a zipper, and that is where I'm keeping my makeup. So I don't wear like a ton of makeup in the first place, which is kind of how I got it to fit all in here. But I was able to bring my highlighter, blush, and bronzer all from e.l.f. as well as my setting powder. My concealer, this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. My mascara, this is the Extended Play Giga Black Lash from MAC. I also brought my brow gel in the shade Taupe from e.l.f. and then 2 different lip glosses. So that all fit in this middle mesh pocket here. And then up at the top, I just have a scrunchie, some hair elastics, some plastic hair elastics, a nail file, and a lip balm. So that all fit in this tiny toiletry kit. Isn't that amazing? I'm so happy with this purchase. So like I said, it'll be linked down below. I know I joked about this being an ad, but it's not an ad. Putting it out there. Okay, the next thing in the body of the bag is my little purse. This is from the Team Canada Lululemon collection. It's in the shade Sage Green, I believe. It's kind of the same as the belt bag, only in like a crossbody form. Inside, I just have my wallet, and then I have a hand sanitizer. This is what the inside looks like. Pretty basic, but it fits inside the bag. And one of the last crazy things that I cannot believe fits in this bag are my sandals. So there is a shoe compartment in the bottom of the bag, and when you saw it all packed up, my sandals were in there. So this bag fits a crazy amount of stuff in it. I'm going to wear my running shoes on the plane, and then I'm just bringing my Birkenstocks because I think that they are going to be a lot better to walk around in, especially because we're going to the beach. And then most importantly, I'm only bringing 1 bathing suit, and the bathing suit I'm bringing is just this yellow one. There is a wet compartment in the backpack, which is great for this. So I'm just going to keep the bathing suit right in there, and then I can throw it in there wet if I have to. Also bringing, just for your reference, socks, underwear, bras, and a hairbrush. But that is not in the bag yet because I'll probably share a hairbrush with my mom because she's also going. So it's one less thing to pack, and I didn't think you had to see the rest of the stuff. In terms of accessories, I'm only bringing the jewelry that I always wear. I've showed it before, this necklace, these 3 rings, and this gold bracelet. I'm also going to bring a pair of sunglasses, just these cheap ones. I'm probably going to put these in the water bottle holder compartment of my bag. And that's that for like the bulk of the stuff that I packed. So now, do you see that flip by? So now there's going to be a few things that I put in some of the pockets in the bag that I want to tell you about. So one of the really cool features of the bag is that there's actually a charging port in the bag. It comes with like an adapter so that you can plug your charging cable into that. All you need to do is bring your own portable charging bank. But there's a little zipper pocket right here. That's where you put the cables and the power bank. And then on the outside of the bag here, there's this little nozzle. So this is the part that they give to you, and it's a USB like insert, and you just plug your cable into that. Moving on to the top flap of the bag. In this top pocket, as you can see, I just put my bullet journal. This is my bullet journal. I bring it everywhere I go. I did make a video on my 2022 setup, so I will link that up top. In this main pocket as well, I have my 2 power bricks. This is the one for my laptop, and this is the fast charging power brick from Apple. In this little mesh zipper pocket here, you can see I have my USB-C to Lightning cable for my iPhone, and I also have my USB-C to USB-C cable for my laptop. And then in this far pocket here, I just have some Burt's Bees hand cream and a extra mask. Okay, we're almost done. The front of the bag has 2 zipper pockets right on the front. I'm only using one of them because I mentioned that I brought some things just because I had the room, but I am not a fan of doing that. So just because the pockets are there, I didn't feel the need to fill them. In this top pocket, all I have are my AirPods, and I'm going to put my passport and my phone in there as well. Speaking of passport, going back inside the bag in this main pocket, this is the shoe compartment that I was telling you about. It loads from the bottom though, so this is just to keep your clothes clean. There is a secret little zipper pocket back here. So this is where I would keep any important documents if I wasn't traveling domestically. The last and one of the most important parts of the bag is a padded laptop sleeve. So that is right back here. It zips up from the top, just like the bag loads, and my laptop is inside of it. So I cannot believe how much stuff this bag fits, honestly. This is the bag when it's empty. I smacked myself in the face. This is the bag when it's empty and not packed. That is everything that I'm bringing with me to go for the extended long weekend to Vancouver. I'm super excited about the trip, and I'm glad that I got to share this with you. I'm really excited that I got to use 2 new products, my new carry-on backpack. It's my favorite thing in the whole world, and also my new toiletry kit. If you have any suggestions of where you want to see me pack for next, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!